Hi, this is Matt from Open Global, and in this short video I'm going to explain to you the importance of design in your website, and we're going to look at a handful of the UK's largest online retailers. Starting obviously with Amazon, the UK's largest and most successful online retailer. You can see here we've got the logo in the top left, we have a search bar, and underneath that we've got a horizontal menu with some drop down options. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Underneath the menu we've got a banner which scrolls through several options, a feature which you've probably seen on lots of different websites. Scrolling down a bit more, we have row upon row of featured products until you get right down to the bottom where there's just a few columns of text links to different areas of the website. Very standard. Let's have a quick look at Argos. Exactly the same layout, logo in the top left, a search bar, horizontal menu with some drop downs. Underneath that we have a banner area, and scrolling down further, some individual links to products and categories within the site, and several columns of text links down at the bottom. John Lewis. Now, John Lewis are frequently given as an example of how to do online shops right. Same sort of layout. Right at the top you've got the logo and a search bar, horizontal menu, and guess what happens when I put the mouse over the menu? Yeah, some drop down shortcuts. Underneath the menu we've got a scrolling banner again. Scrolling down a bit further, simple two-column layout on the left-hand side, some shortcut links which consist of an image and underneath a bit of text. Image, bit of text on the right-hand side. A couple more images, some more text. Nothing out of the ordinary. Scrolling down to the bottom, a few columns of text links. Sports Direct. Slightly different feel about this one, but again nothing out of the ordinary. At the top, logo, search box, horizontal menu with some drop downs, and a scrolling banner directly underneath that. If we keep scrolling down, you certainly wouldn't describe this as a fancy design. There's nothing clever going on here. Just lots and lots of links to individual products, product categories. This is a very busy design. And down at the bottom, a few columns of text links. But you know instantly how this site works. All four of the sites that we've just looked at are following standard industry practices of having the search bar at the top, horizontal menu with some drop downs so that you can go straight to the page that you're looking for. Featured products in a scrolling banner. This is a particularly busy design. You wouldn't describe this as an impressive design, but it works. It sells very well indeed. Looking back through some of these, there's nothing here that you would describe as particularly clever. There's no fancy effects. There's no parallax scrolling as you move down the page. You know instantly how it works. The importance of design in a website is the usability. Nobody gets an instruction manual when they visit your site. You've got a few seconds for your visitors to work out how your site works so that they can get to what they want as fast as possible. And you achieve that by having a simple, straightforward design, just as all of these sites have done. The thing to get from this is that I'm not saying that design is unimportant. Design is critically important. But the point of the design is not to impress your visitors. If you're trying to be clever or impressive, you'll actually alienate your visitors. They're much more likely to just hit that back button, go back to the search engine and find one of your competitors instead. Thank you for listening.